climb inside the 2009 GMC Acadia. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include front fog lights, a rear window wiper, power front seats, a built-in garage door transmitter, heated seats, turn signal indicator mirrors, and cruise control. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.